Apply loops and conditions with sequencing. Let us learn how to use loops and conditional with the help of sequencing. Selection. Selection can be described as making a choice based on a criteria. Think of it as if, this, then, that. Selection is an important part of coding. It helps us to choose different paths and reaction to situations. Example: is it rainy today? If the answer to the question is true, then the algorithm follows one path. If the answer is false, the algorithm follows a different path. Iteration. To run a block of code specific number of times, iteration is used. Iteration can be defined as doing or repeating the same task again and again until the specified condition is met. Iteration is repeating situations. Example: in the car race, a car must go around a track 5 times. The car will keep going around the track repeatedly until it completes 5 laps. Once it is done, it will exit the track. Now, let's combine all the 3 building blocks of an algorithm: sequencing, selection, and iteration. Let's look at our cup of tea task with sequence, selection, and iteration. We have the same number of steps, but our process has become more precise. How long to stir for? Efficient. We don't fill the kettle if it has water in it already. And we have choice: milk or no milk. Step 1. If the kettle has no water, then fill the kettle with water. Step 2. Turn the kettle on. Step 3. Put tea bag in the cup. Step 4. Pour hot water into the cup. Step 5. Remove tea bag. Step 6. If you take milk, then add milk. Step 7. If you take sugar, then add sugar. Stir until the milk has been mixed into the tea. In real life, complex algorithms can have hundreds of steps in a sequence, and there are certain activities in the sequence which are repeated. We can reduce the number of steps of sequence by using a loop along with certain conditions to check when the loop should stop.